Hey everybody, here is a real quick reminder of how I made an image into an animated GIF in Photopea. Um, Basically, it's just a way of taking whatever layers you have and animating them so it just shows one layer at a time really fast. So this is an image I already had and it has a bunch of layers, right? If we haven't talked about how to get something like this, I can talk about that with you. But this is just a quick way for me to show you what it does. So what I want to do is any layers I want to repeat, I want to take everything except this background layer. I want to click, I'll hold down the shift key and click the others. So there's the layers that I want to have repeat. And I just come up to the layer tab, go all the way down to the bottom to animation. This is in the way. Layer, animation. And then it says make frames, and that's it. I click on make frames. And look what it did. It added an underscore A underscore to the title of each of these layers. Any of those are going to be animated now. When we export it as a GIF, you might say GIF. You would be wrong. I'm going to go to File, Export As, and just choose GIF or GIF. And look, it shows you what it looks like. So it's just cycling through those layers. And I can change the speed, slow that down a little. That was making me a little nervous. I could decide to make it boomerang, go forward and backward instead of just going in a loop. And when I like it, I just hit save. All right, if I wanted to take one of those layers out, that's the only thing. I can't go back to the layer menu, go to animation, and undo that. But I could just go to a layer, click on the name of the layer, and take off the underscore A underscore. And then that layer wouldn't be in there, in the animation. All right, so that was it. Pretty simple, right? I'm going to show you, I'm running out of time in this video, show you a way to just do something that's like a little more complicated. Not much. But it looks kind of cool. So that will be part 2. That's all. I don't know how to stop this video now that I've lost my I lost my menu. So that's lame, but that's okay, because I will just crop this when it stops recording, which is hopefully soon. Here we go.